I was just making dinner. I heard a loud sound. It seems something hit very hard and it just shattered, and you can hear the shattering sound. But here is the hole, so I do not know what happened. Somebody threw a stone, or I have no clue. I don't want to touch it right now because I'm afraid it will just shatter into pieces. So I have no idea, but it didn't came from inside because you can see this is the mesh, the sliding that mesh door, that is okay, but there is like an impact somewhere. It seems it started from here.